How to use Safari private browsing on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use Safari private browsing on iPhone or iPad. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Safari on your device. Here, tap on the box-like icon on the bottom right of your screen. You will see the option for private. You can directly tap on the private option and enter private browsing mode on Safari, or you can tap on the three lines you see there on the bottom of your screen and further tap on private, and with this you will enter the private browsing mode. Private browsing mode adds additional privacy protection for all private tabs. After you close a tab, Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history, or your autofill information. Tap on Done, and with this you can go ahead and surf in the private mode. If you want to go back to the normal mode, then tap on the box-like icon again on the bottom right of your screen. You will see the Start Page option. Tap on that and you will return back to the normal mode. So this is how you can use private browsing mode on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.